Nice to meet you, Andrew.
Basically, this is the back of this is broke.
Okay.
So as you can see, the battery is done.
Okay, got it. You wanted the same key with the key fob?
Yeah.
If you wanna with remote, it's a little bit high, okay? 200 should be. What time we get the key? We check it out. Start it. We wanna program it now. Number key 4. Add a key. Programming successful. 5. So but now it's good.
Yeah, my baby back, man.
Yes. The remote too.
Yes, sir. All right, man.
All right.
All right. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
That's 180.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Take
You're
care.
welcome. You too.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
You're welcome.
All right.